Well, folks, today's the day. Farrah's getting painted.
It just left a little tiny spot where it was, but
We're going over it again.
I think we'll be fine.
We're gonna try to do this
We're on
side
bug
right now.
patrol now. I see that. This car gets really hot during the day, and at night it turns to a big wet mess.
Now you can put this on YouTube. The first thing they're gonna go is, "Where's his mask?"
Yeah. I'm calling the EPA. Of course, Gayle's right in the fog of it now. How do you feel about the match? How do you feel about the color? Think we got enough paint to do the whole thing? Oh yeah. All right, cool. So you didn't put a lot of gloss in it, is what you're saying, right?
No, I'm not sure. This is acrylic enamel. What this would have been done with.
Gotcha. Okay.
But I'm not going to put it on so that it becomes a gloss part finish.
Right. Okay.
I'm going to keep it. It'll be more textury. That helps add to the matte look. It's not going to be a flowed out.
Right.
Because we didn't want this standing out from that.
Well, that's the thing. Who the hell knows? You know, 'cause I don't really know what the right decision is.
Yeah. There you go.
So when you put that trigger, all you do is air until you squeeze one more stage, and then it comes to paint.
Yeah.
So it gives you an opportunity to get ready to set up the spray out. Yeah, see, that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, you never want to take it all the way on and off. That makes it spin.
Yes. Okay. It does have some gloss in it, though. You can see it shine.
Yeah. Going for that matte look.
Well, once you
Boy,
color
she's
it
going to be
dry,
pretty when she's
you want to
done.
make it look better. Is it possible to make it look better? Wet sanding it or polishing it?
Well, being this acrylic enamel, I don't know that it will, but if you want to make it look real nice and clear it, that's
So
possible.
that's something we could do when we do the top side.
Yeah. See, the silver spray is going back to a turn. Why does it look so grainy at the end of the video? It's all the overspray on the lens.
Yeah, right. Oh, yeah, right. God, I don't know which was worse, but I'll tell you, this was, I got a little carried away, but you know what? It's gonna matter. Especially
So this side is our before video. And then once it's painted, we'll have our after video.
Like this
I
down.
did the right
Like I said,
thing.
you could just scuff over it and put clear on it if you really want.
If you want it, we make it
the
look
car
prettier.
finish.
So we do the top side. You say, well, we want to make this really legit. We can go back and make those corrections.
Yeah.
Then, okay. Oh, dog.
Here, cause see now this is original. That's not. And you look in this here. Right? You can see I don't have paint here yet. Right?
Well,
Color's good.
That's where we were at. That is the color he painted. Whatever he mixed. I don't know what he mixed metallic in it or what, but I know the car originally had metallic paint in it.
Right. We're
As soon as
definitely.
you took the lid off, I'm like, holy, he got metallic in it.
It's got metallic.
Hot dog.
For sure.
Hot damn. You want something to put on that bag? Hold that bag down?
As long as it doesn't come all the way in there.
It's like being a new parent today. I'm so nervous, Gayle.
I know, but it's exciting, Brian.
So far, we only got 3 bugs, and I got them all off.
That's good.
3 bugs, I got them. I didn't leave any legs either. There was no legs, Ray.
Oh,
I got the whole body. The one made about a quarter-inch fight.
It's when the flies land on it and they're able to still walk, and then you got the trail.
Yes, right, exactly. No,
That little gnat was a...
the gnat did get about a quarter-inch walk before he stopped.
okay.
What pooped in the yard, Gayle? There's poop
I don't know.
Well, look at that. Wonder what that is.
We'll just edit that part out, Brian.
That's all right. Maybe one of our viewers can tell us what kind of scat it is.
Well, it looks like dog to me.
Oh, brother.
And since you don't have a dog,
Nah, I know. Someone's dog has been coming around.
we walked up here the other day, Brian. I don't know how we didn't step in that.
Yeah, right. That made me mad. You know, I'm on my sneakers. I got lucky. That's like a landmine that's been buried in the ground for 50 years. You just gotta hope your day ain't the day.
I know. Here we go.
We top off the paint,
I will restock.
Alright.
Exactly what not to do if you're finished. Well, you know what though? So far we only got 3 bugs, and everything's going our way. No rain. We got very light breeze. Temperature will be worse yet if we're trying to do it again. Oh, right. No, I was like, when you said 10 o'clock, I'm like, that's perfect. Pretty much, other than that final scuff, I was pretty much prepared. I sat out here and I looked at this car for a couple hours. I thought, I got it all. I got it all. I got it all. Man, do I hope I got it all. Because it's happening, whether you did or didn't. Oh, all right, I know. It's going on. Okay. Little swing. Pretty nifty. And then a lock ring, and then you're connected. Pretty nifty. Okay. Passenger pad. This will really dry fast.
In the sun. You gotta spray differently when you're on a hot piece of metal?
Probably get a little wetter.
You're only just putting a skim coat on it initially.
Just something to get it just sticky.
Yeah.
If you put too much on too quick, it shocks it.
And then you start getting sag.
Yeah.
I know the metallic likes to run away. I noticed on the
see
roof.
how it's already, I'm putting it on heavy, you can see how it's a little more molten.
Yeah, right.
And that side I was dusting it, because it was cooler over there.
So you're supposed to, what you're doing now is the way you're supposed to do it. Or no?
They call it a tack coat.
So the hotter the metal, the more you got to put on?
So I was trying to give it a chance to flow out a little.
I see. God, I know nothing about what you're doing at all.
Just try not to be nervous about it and just put it on nice.
Yeah, I just feel, I don't know, it's like, I don't know. It's exciting. It's really exciting. When you get
It's
carpet
very
on,
exciting.
I have my knee pads on.
Alright. You came prepared.
What?
You came prepared today. Let me get you some more hose.
Too old. Too old.
Lasts better on jack stands, huh, Ray?
Oh, so awesome. That'd be impossible sitting on its tires.
No way. No way.
Dry.
Is it? Hot metal, huh? When I spray primer on it, Ray, by the time I get to the end of the car, the front is dry on a hot side.
Yeah.
It actually works in your favor to get more done. I remember watching you with a heat gun drying primer because you couldn't do any more work till the primer was dry.
Yeah, that was winter and it was cool in the
Working
shop.
with Ray in the body shop, he's got a heat gun drying primer because there's no way to work on it because it doesn't dry so fast. That's funny. Hot dog, Ray, that looks really good, man. Wow. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Man, that's impressive. Yeah. Funny, the passenger side looks like it's actually lit. It's not orange peeling as much as the driver's side did. That's just because it wasn't dry. Hot metal.
Yeah, the sun was drying it so quickly.
Is that to our advantage or is that good or bad?
I still wouldn't let anything get against it tonight.
Right.
Like I said before, it'll feel dry, but it'll still be impressionable.
So tomorrow at this time we could start taking tape off.
Yeah.
24 hours. Well, I don't know, man. We were just talking about what we're gonna do about the covering it, but if we can get the weather right, I'm just gonna leave the cover off.
Yeah.
So tonight, when it cools off in the water, if it does get some condensation on it, it's better. Is it all right compared to like the tarp?
Yes.
So
absolutely.
So you know what? Other than a damn rainstorm, just leave the tarp off and take the chance.
I wouldn't worry about it unless it's gonna storm.
All right. Well, what was the weather today, Gail?
Possible thunderstorms from the humidity, mostly west, I think, and north. I'll check the weather after.
I looked at it last night, and everything is south. Everything is south of us today.
Yeah, that's what I thought I seen too.
Hey guys, and hopefully some girls. You like what you see? You do? Fantastic. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button there, and you get to see a whole lot more.